Hello, St. Augustine and St. Johns County Realtors and business partners. I'm Steve Ladrido, your 2022 Board of Realtors President, with your second quarter recap. We've all been really busy with the hot real estate market, and on top of that, here's what your Board of Directors has been up to. In April, we attended our District 1 conference where we learn, network, and connect with surrounding realtor associations. We also heard from our Florida Realtors leadership candidates, got to know a little bit more about them and their initiatives for next year. Your Board of Directors believes in the value of the District 1 conference and graciously agreed to sponsor any members who attended this event. So thank you to those who attended. In May, we traveled to Washington, D.C. for the NAR legislative meetings. Here, we visited the Capitol and worked on several key initiatives to protect property rights and promote home ownership for all. It's always a great event where real estate leaders from across the country come together to make an impact. Plus, there's lots of networking, connecting, partying, and sightseeing. So if you've never been, make sure to put it on your calendar for next year. Also in May, we had our Board of Realtors open house party at our association. It was very well attended with a great band, some great barbecue, and some adult beverages, and lots of prizes. So thank you again to all of those who attended, and stay tuned for our next Board of Realtors event. We wrapped up May with providing you a complimentary At Home with Diversity training course that provided 7 hours of continuing education for those in attendance. In June, our Board of Realtors sponsored the Inc. Community Appreciation for School Employees event, supporting our teachers and school board staff. It was a great event to celebrate all the great things our school employees do to shape the minds of our future. We spent a majority of the time promoting the new Hometown Heroes program, which is a great benefit for school employees, as well as medical professionals, first responders, and many others. Fast figures from our MLS are coming back by the end of July and will continue to be available every month as Florida Realtors releases their popular Sun Stats. In August, we'll be headed down to Orlando for the annual Florida Realtors Convention. If you've never been, I highly recommend attending. One of my favorite parts of this event is the real estate bar camp the day before the convention starts on August 23rd. It's a great networking opportunity and packed full of peer-on-peer learning and sharing from some of the brightest minds in real estate. Find out more details or register at floridarealtors.org. We hope to see you all there. In September, we plan to have some great events for our membership, so stay tuned to register for more ways to get involved and make a difference. As you know, our 3 key initiatives this year are education, engagement, and exposure. We're working hard to provide value in each of them. Here are some updates related to these initiatives that are worth mentioning. The one you all want to hear about is the Mls Data Share. Your leadership team for the Board of Realtors and the MLS are working together to form an MLS Data Share with other local MLSs, and we are very close. This benefit is something we believe is important to our membership, and we're working hard to make it happen for you. We hope to have some confirmed commitments in the near future, so stay tuned for more updates as things progress. With our engagement initiative, we will continue our grassroots broker outreach to your brokerage leaders to encourage member engagement at our association. We've got a lot of upcoming fun events and opportunities planned for the last half of 2022, so we hope to see all of you very soon. With our education initiative, we will continue to bring a diverse schedule of education for all of our members and are always looking for new class suggestions and engaging educators. Keep an eye out for training sessions that may interest you. One in particular that I'm looking forward to is our Realtor Self-Defense class that I hope all of you will take advantage of. With our exposure initiative, we will continue to highlight all of the good that our Realtor membership does in our local community. Realtors make a difference, and we stand behind you in your efforts. So much so that we've approved the addition of a new staff member who will primarily focus on marketing, branding, and most importantly, membership communication. This is a big step in a new direction for the look, feel, and overall brand of the St. Augustine St. Johns County Board of Realtors and MLS. The best is yet to come. I got to tell you, I'm so proud to be a leader in this amazing organization and thank each and every one of you for your continued support every day. Please don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to all of our social media channels. Thanks for watching.